Hey guys, welcome to the BdThemes widget tutorial. Today we picked the Orbit widget brought to you by the Pixel Gallery add-on for Elementor. Orbit is a WordPress gallery maker widget based on Elementor website builder that offers a unique interface for showing off your image gallery. The widget has a hover animation that folds the image you are seeing and flatlines the image in the background, creating a fun experience for the visitors. The hover screen displays the image title, meta, and read more button. The widget is a perfect fit for all websites, especially fashion or glamour websites where this kind of animation adds more to the UI UX of the website. There are two demo layouts we made this time to show you how the gallery looks on your front end. Alright, let's go to the backend so we can show you the customizations. The widget is already dropped inside the page. On your left, you will find the options to customize the grid template columns, row gap, column gap, item height, and content width scroll bars to adjust the spacing for the gallery items. Then you have a masonry switcher and two more switchers to show or hide the title and meta texts. Just below, you have text alignment, image size, and link trigger options. The next section called items is where all gallery items are listed inside. You can add more items by clicking the add item button, or you can close the current ones by clicking the cross button at the edge of each item box. Now click on the first item box and it will unfold. Inside the options, click on the image field and select your first gallery image. Then you can change the image title. You can also change the meta texts, read more button texts, and insert a custom URL for each item. Of course, you can switch to video media if you want to emit video directly from the source with intact player controls on the gallery. Now, please customize the rest just like how we changed the first one. Then go back to the first item again and now switch to the grid subsection. First, increase the column span to 8, which makes the image wider for 8 tiles. Then change the image height as per requirement. Go to the next item and just change the item height to match the first item. Now that it looks nice, same way change the height of the rest. Now we have a complete layout to work with. We can move to the Style tab for some appearance changes. So click on the Style tab and then click on the Content section. Let's change the content background color with reduced opacity. This background shows up once anyone hovers over the items. Then switch to the Read More section and change the button text color to brown. In the same menu, switch to the hover subsection and put brown color in the background and white for the texts, simply reversing the color order. Now check that out. Then customize the padding field to add more space around the Read More button. Now minimize the system panel and have a look at the finished gallery. This is one of the many ways you can create an interesting image gallery with the Orbit widget. Thanks for enjoying this tutorial. Please like, share, and subscribe to receive updates on new tutorials. Stay safe and see you next time.